Hello students, I am Ranjit Pradhan, your mathematics teacher, your guider, your motivator. Actually today we will discuss vector. So actually you already know about vector. There are some quantities which have magnitude and direction, that is called vector quantity. Also there are some quantity which have only magnitude but they have no direction. That type of quantities are called scalar quantity. Okay, তো ভেক্টর স্কেলার এবং ভেক্টরের সঙ্গে কোঅর্ডিনেট জিওমেট্রি একটা গুড রিলেশন আছে। তো আমরা মেনলি আজকে ভেক্টরের ফর্মে স্ট্রেট লাইনের ইকুয়েশনটা জানব এবং সেখান থেকে আমরা কীভাবে কোঅর্ডিনেট জিওমেট্রিতে আসতে পারি সেটা নিয়ে আজকে আলোচনা করব। Suppose I am taking a vector whose position vector is small a. Actually you have to find out the equation of a straight line which is parallel to a vector b and that straight line passing through a point whose position vector is small a, and this is vector origin. Okay, and suppose this is capital A and I am taking a point capital B which is a variable point on this straight line. Okay, suppose this position vector of this variable point capital B is R vector. Okay, actually today I want to find out equation of a straight line which is passing through a point capital A whose position vector is small a and which is parallel to a vector B vector. Okay, just see here, capital AB vector and B vector, these are both parallel. Okay, so we can write capital AB vector, this will be small t into B vector. Capital AB vector, this is equal to some scalar multiple of B vector because this and this they are parallel. Okay, also according to triangle law we can write OA vector plus AB vector, OA vector plus AB vector, this is equal to, we can write OB vector. Okay, so actually OAB, this is a triangle and according to triangle law we can write OA vector plus AB vector, this is equal to OB vector. Okay, also OA vector means we can write small a vector plus AB vector means, AB vector already I have written here, AB vector means T B vector. Okay, and OB vector means this is equal to R vector. So this will be the equation of this straight line AB. This will be the equation of this straight line AB. So equation of this straight line AB will be R vector equal to A vector plus TB vector. This will be the equation of this straight line and this is in vector form. Okay, so very interesting thing, vector and coordinate geometry, they are very much correlated, only their notations are different, but our target is only we will find out the equation of that straight line. So now I will convert that vector form of this straight line to geometrical form of this straight line, means we want to find out equation of this straight line in coordinate geometry. So if I consider R vector equal to, because I have taken R vector, this is a variable point, so x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Suppose small a vector equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and b vector equal to, suppose b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. So if I put this in this equation, r vector equal to a vector plus tb vector, then what will happen? X I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, this equal to a vector means a1 I plus a2 j plus a3 k cap plus t into b vector means b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Okay, just compare both sides the like terms because we want to find out the equation of the straight line. So we can write x equal to a1 plus tb1. So these are the coefficients of I cap. Also y equal to a2 plus tb2, and z equal to we can write a3 plus tb3. So just compare both sides the coefficients of ijk, x equal to a1 plus tb1, y equal to a2 plus tb2, z equal to a3 plus tb3. अगर किसी का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स से तुम बता सकते हो. तो जस्ट सी हियर, नाउ फ्रॉम दिस t there are three quantities. From these three quantities I will find out the value of t. So from the first relation, t equal to, we can write x minus a1 by b1. Also from second we can write t equal to y minus a2 by b2. Okay, from the third relation, t equal to, we can write z minus a3 by b3. Okay, so if I, because these all are equal to t, so we can write x minus a1 by b1, this is equal to y minus a2 by b2, this is equal to z minus a3 by b3. Okay, so this is the equation of that straight line. Just their representations are different, but always r equal to a vector, r vector equal to a vector plus tb vector. This represents the equation of a straight line. This also represents the equation of a straight line, and this form is called symmetric form of a straight line. Okay, আশা করি সবার বোঝা যাচ্ছে. যদি কেউ বুঝতে না পারো কমেন্ট বক্সে তোমার প্রবলেম জানাতে পারো, আর যদি আমার ভিডিও ভালো লাগে তো অবশ্যই লাইক শেয়ার সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে. তো জাস্ট আমি একটা এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি. সাপোজ I want to find out the equation of a straight line which passing through the point whose position vector is suppose 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Also that straight line is parallel to the vector b vector, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So this is the straight line. We have to find out the equation of the straight line, and small a, this is the position vector of small a, this is vector origin. We have to find out the equation of this straight line which is passing through this point capital A, and this straight line is parallel to the vector b vector. Okay, so equation of this straight line AB, that will be r vector equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap plus 4 plus 4k cap plus t into I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So this will be the equation of this straight line. So just if I want to find out equation of this straight line in symmetric form, then what will be the answer? Suppose x minus 2 by 1, y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 by minus 1. This will be the equation of the straight line in symmetric form, and that was the equation of this straight line AB in vector form. Okay, thank you.